Quick little video to show the little set of turning tools I picked up for the lathe. Carbide insert, not high speed steel. Spare screws, spanners for it. Before you go thinking these are normal size, this is a normal ballpoint pen being held by my fat fingers. I'll leave that in the shop. These are quarter inferior shank, so they should fit into my little lathe. The carbide insert boring bar did such a bang up job of cutting compared to the high speed steel, and I've picked this up, or this set up, and I'll see how this gets on. Hopefully it's just as impressive as the boring bar was. That's how small this set of lathe tooling is. It fits in the palm of my hand.